Have you ever had a problem that felt so huge there was just no solution? Something that kept you up at night, haunted your thoughts, made you feel like, I just can't handle this anymore. But then, a few months later, you look back and it makes you laugh? Weird, right? That's just time doing its thing. Sometimes all you need to do is be patient and trust it. Sometimes life gets so hard, it feels like everything's stopped. A problem, a failure, heartbreak, maybe even a mistake. It keeps replaying in your mind. You think about it over and over until you feel like there's no way out. But here's the truth. Time is a healer. What feels unbearable today can become just a memory in a few weeks or months. You just have to keep going, even when it feels impossible. This video is for you. For anyone stuck in a crisis, sadness, or confusion right now. Stay with me until the end, because these few minutes might be the start of real peace for you. Ryan was a young guy, 27 years old, full of hope and ambition. He just started working at a tech company. Every day, he went in with excitement, grabbed his coffee, smiled, and told himself, "This is where I start building my life." One day, he got assigned a big project, one that was going to be presented to a major client. That night, he went home full of energy and said, "Mom, if this project goes well, I might even get a promotion." But things didn't go as planned. A few small mistakes, some carelessness from the team, and one final error from him. It all added up. The entire project failed. During the presentation, his boss looked at him and said, "Ryan, this mistake cost us the contract." His heart sank. For a moment, everything went silent. The sound of his own heartbeat echoed in his ears. That crushing feeling of "I failed" consumed him completely. That night, when he got home, the lights were off. He sat on his bed, closed his laptop, and just stared at the wall. Tears rolled down his face. He thought, "I'm finished. I ruined everything. No one will ever trust me again." A few days later, at the office, everyone was quiet. No one said anything, but the silence felt heavier than any words could. Weeks passed. The pressure of that failure started to fade. People moved on, but Ryan was still stuck inside his head. One evening, after a long day, he decided to go for a walk. The air was cool. The streets were empty. The sound of his footsteps echoed softly. In the middle of the sidewalk, he stopped, took a deep breath, and whispered to himself, "Maybe I just need to let time do its thing. Maybe I don't have to fix everything right now." That night, he opened his journal and wrote, "Trust time, because no pain lasts forever." From that day on, Ryan slowed down. He woke up calmer, drank his coffee without rushing, tried to just be okay, not perfect. He worked carefully without fear, started running in the evenings, something he'd wanted to do for years but always postponed. 3 months later, he was at his desk reviewing files for a new project. When he reached the folder from that infamous project, he paused for a moment. He opened the file, read the reports, and after a few seconds, he smiled. He thought to himself, "Seriously, I thought this was the end of the world?" A genuine laugh came from the bottom of his heart. The problem that had once haunted him now seemed ridiculously small. That night, leaving the office, he looked at the orange glow of the sunset and whispered, "Nothing lasts forever. Not pain, not fear, not heartbreak. You just have to be patient and let time do its thing." From that day forward, Whenever a problem came up, Ryan reminded himself of one sentence. Feels big now, but in a few months, I'll be laughing at it. And every time, it happened exactly that way. If you're watching this video right now, and there's a problem in your mind that won't let go, the kind that keeps you awake at night and weighs on you every morning, I want you to hear this from the bottom of my heart. Everything will be okay. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but time is stronger than anything. Sometimes you just have to stop fighting unnecessarily and let time work its magic. Many answers come not in the endless thinking at night, but in the quiet passing of days and seconds. Give yourself a chance. Trust time, because no pain, grief, or confusion lasts forever. One day you'll look back and smile, because what you thought was the end of the world was really just the start of your growth. And if you want to become stronger, calmer, and more aware every single day, subscribe to our channel so we can grow together and take one step closer each day to the life we truly deserve.